If you've taken the time to build out a persona sheet for your business to outline prospective customers and what their pain points are, and you've created content that delivers value to solve each of those bottlenecks for them, yet you still don't see a return from your content, the problem may be that you are not strategically creating organic content. You're just simply creating organic content, and there's a huge difference. Organic content can just be a post that you release, day-to-day post that you make on any platform just to put it out there. Now, if you're just putting out content without factoring in what that platform is and who your audience is on each of those platforms, you can be doing a huge disservice to this content that you've worked on. For example, if you know that you're gonna be releasing a video on LinkedIn, which is a professional network, maybe you need to cater that to that audience and then repurpose that content to release it strategically for Facebook, and then Instagram, and then TikTok. That could be the switch that your content needs to go from 0% return to 100% return on its organic strategy.